Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential parts and making the first electrical connections. You need a GPS module, a microcontroller like ESP32, and a 3.7V LiPo battery. This provides stable power. Once ready, mount the GPS on a breadboard, connect VCC to 3.3V, GND to ground, TX to the microcontroller RX, and RX to TX. Use short jumper wires to reduce noise. Solder the power leads for reliability. Make sure to attach the antenna. Without it, the module cannot get a fix. Next, you program and integrate the components so the device actually provides positions. First, install the microcontroller package in Arduino IDE and run a serial test to confirm communication. Then add tiny GPS++ to parse NME strings. This gives you latitude, longitude, time, and fix quality. You use HStop to judge accuracy. Once parsed, format coordinates and optionally send over Wi-Fi or log to SD. Also implement power management, a regulator, proper charging IC, and sleep modes to extend battery life. Finally, you finalize the hardware and run full system checks to complete the project. Place the electronics in a ventilated enclosure with the antenna exposed and oriented upward. Once done, power on outdoors and wait for a satellite lock. This can take several minutes. Test by logging stationary fixes and then moving. Compare known coordinates to confirm accuracy. If you have problems, check wiring and baud rate, ensure the antenna has a clear sky view, and verify the module receives power. Swapping the module can isolate faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.